What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. In this video, we're making 10 ice cream scoop spades. Or ice cream scoops, but I call them ice cream spades. They're the best ice cream scooper you can get. We make them. If you want one, just contact us. This footage is actually a little bit older than usual, so it's filmed in our, I don't want to say our old shop, but kind of our old edition shop. So it's a little bit older, so it's not forged in this shop, so it's a little, and it's pretty sweet, so I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned to the end and tell me what you think of it. See ya. Actually, roll the intro. We're gonna forge a little spoon-like shape on the end of these. So we're gonna put them into the forge. We're gonna put them on this stump. We need a ball peen hammer to forge a little circular cone shape. And then we're gonna come and stamp them with my stamp. If it'll focus. Alright, we got all 10 of them forged out. And you can see the stamps on them. They're pretty sweet. And if you look, what we did, we just kind of give them a little bit of curve that way. And you can't quite tell, but they have a little bit of a hole in there. Like a spoon. Alright, time to go do some grinding. Alright, we're going to punch the holes so we can drill them. So we're going to do 2 holes on the handle. One right there, and then one 3.5 inches down.
Border Provo's closed.
Like that. That's good. We finished center punching all the holes, so now we just gotta drill all of them. finished drilling all the holes, so now we just gotta grind them. So. Grinding them, and now we're gonna put some oak on the handles and then walnut. So we'll do 5 oak handles and 5 walnut handles. So we're gonna start tracing them out, and then we're gonna cut them on the bandsaw. Alright, we got all of them traced out. 5 walnut, and we laid them too, so we know which one goes to which. And then 5 oak. Now we gotta cut them on the bandsaw. Do the black one. Holes, we need to cut some of the pins, so we're just going to cut all 20 of them out right now. We got all of them cut in half. So now we have to take each one with the corresponding number, the actual handle, and then the scooper, and make sure they fit up. So we have to get them to fit up like that, all nice, and put pins in them. And then right before we glue them up, we're gonna take this and just run it on the belt sander, just clean them up and get the edges real nice and clean. And we're also gonna do sand the inside of that. You can see it's kind of grainy and choppy. We're just gonna smooth it out a little bit so it lays flat, so we glue it up better. All 10 of them are fit up, and now it's time to glue them together. And the epoxy we're going to use, it's called G-Flex. And it's the best stuff that I've found. This is a 1-to-1 ratio 2-part epoxy, and it works great. Alright, let's glue this up. Alright guys, the epoxy is dried, so now we just gotta take off the clamps and then we'll sand the handles. Let's see here. Alright, time to sand them. Alright, so this epoxy here, I don't know if you can see it, just a little residue there. We need to get rid of it, so we're gonna take a knife and just chip away at it. Just try to, usually you can just cut right down the wood, and just pop it loose. And use a knife that doesn't really matter because it'll kind of dull it. This side done, so now we just need to get this side. We got all the epoxy gone, and now we're just gonna clean up. I'll call it the blade, I don't know what. So we're gonna take it to the buffer and just get rid of all the nasty stuff, all the rust and stuff, and just make it nice and clean. We're just gonna clean it and get rid of some of the buffing compound that got on here. All that flat stuff. The handle, so it can bring out the grain. Turn this down a little bit. Just kind of blacking it up in some places. I think it makes it look a lot better. Just like that, okay? And then on it, and this will just pop out the grain some more and it'll protect it. And we're gonna put some on the blade and on the handle. And then just rub it all around in it. Make sure you get a lot of it on there. Make sure everywhere has a little bit of tongue oil on it. And then just rub it all over your blade too. And this will just help protect it against rust and other stuff like that. Now we're just gonna rub off the excess tongue oil with a napkin. There's not really a lot of it because most of it will just soak into the wood. Just rub off as much as you can. And that's how you make these ice cream, I think most people call them spades, but these ice cream scoopers. And I gotta glue up these ones some more and then finish sanding the one over there. But I'm not gonna show it in the rest of that video because it's just the same process repeated again. We're not gonna burn the walnut ones. We're just gonna oil them. But that's how you do it. These scoopers, they look pretty sweet and they work amazing. You can see our stamp there, Jagged Mountain Knives. And so, please like this video. Consider subscribing. We'd love it if you do. And then just make sure to watch some more of our content and comment below if you want us to make a different video or check out some more stuff. Thank you. See you guys. Wait, we're not actually done yet. I just finished one of the walnut ones, and I'm just wondering which one you guys think looks better, the oak one or the walnut one. So just comment down below which one you like more, and we'll see which one is your guys' favorite. Personally, I think the oak one looks a little bit better, but the walnut is a close second. Alright, this time we're gone for real. See ya. Bye. Thank you so much for watching that video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. We'd also really appreciate it if you subscribe. There's a subscribe card right there. Click on it. Our content's great. We're trying to do the best we can, and we hope you guys like it. If you've already been here a while and you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. We appreciate you. But what you can do is something else. Show your appreciation for us. We have some merch. Go check it out. There's a link down below. Grind the Grind, Masters of Metal merch. Go check them out. They're sweet. And here's a video that you guys should check out. YouTube recommends it, so it's gotta be great, you know. And see you guys next time. Bye.